What's up everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic and welcome to the BMW F10 M5. Now this one is also quite special. This is apparently a one-of-one spec. It has that cream colored interior and it has a ruby black exterior. Although it may just look black, I'll throw up some B-roll now. You guys can see in this direct sunlight, it's actually got some red metallic to it, which actually looks quite nice. But in today's video, we're gonna showcase all of the different sound characteristics at our favorite spot, the airstrip. You guys know and love it from all of our different videos. But today we're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting with Nate and I inside this lovely F10 M5. But yeah, we're gonna have some fun today and showcase what is truly the best sounding F10 M5 valve sport exhaust on the market. Enjoy. Now this car is actually quite special. From what I understand, I believe this is actually a one of one when it comes to the interior configuration being this nice cream color, and then the exterior being ruby black metallic, which is, it looks like regular black when it's in the shade, but it does have that nice sparkly metallic red in the paint when it's in the sun. But this car is honestly one of my favorite M cars of all time. This is what I truly would classify as a Autobahn cruise missile. With the 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8 that's packed under the hood of this F10 M5, now it sounds a whole lot better with this full Valvetronic valve sport exhaust system. So the X pipe in the midsection is actually what really draws out a lot of that exotic motorsport sound, kind of like an E39 M5 is what I relate it to. Which gives it a really nice sound profile, and it drives a lot more character to the car than it came from factory with. So it sounds very, very good. You guys are gonna hear it when we're on the airstrip, running up and down. It sounds absolutely phenomenal. For now, we're warming the car up. We're gonna get some gas. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we'll touch base with you guys then. So another thing I wanted to note about this car, it does have the factory downpipes. So if you were to have an F10 M5, and you just bought our exhaust system, no tune, no downpipes, no anything, this is exactly what you would be getting. So with the valves open, you do, like when you let off, you get a kind of like a brap, kind of like a F87 M2 N55 car. It's not the loudest setup, especially with having the factory downpipes in place, but it does give a really nice tone. It's like very OEM plus level of sound. And like I said, down low, you can hear all the drama behind me right now, but as soon as we click this button, it's like it goes back to being a bone stock F10 M5. But we like the drama, so we'll open it back up. You can hear when I let off all the drama. Little whip crack on the shift there too. These cars are also brutally fast as well. And that, everybody, was the ultimate sound experience for the BMW F10 M5. You guys heard it running up and down the airstrip. It sounds absolutely incredible. It has that OEM plus level of sound without being too overbearing, especially in a car like this that is meant to drive across the country. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these exhaust systems for your F10 BMW M5, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. We would love to help you. We have a chat on our website where you can ask any question, or we have a phone number where you can call and talk to real people. So if you're interested, these are in stock, ready to go, be at your house within 2 to 4 business days. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed. That being said, stay tuned for our next sound improvement project, which is not going to be a BMW, but it might be a Porsche. Enjoy.